Hi everyone, welcome to my channel A Square Zone. If you are viewing my channel first time, make sure you hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Let's go into today's session. In this video, I am going to explain how to install Apache Maven on Ubuntu server. Now, we'll talk about Apache Maven. Apache Maven is a software project management and build automation tool used primarily for Java projects. Based on the concept of a project object model that's called as POM, Maven can manage a project's build, reporting, and documentation from a central piece of information. Here, if we want to work with Maven as it is automation build tool, we need Ubuntu server as prerequisites and we have to install Java on Ubuntu server. For this, we need to launch Ubuntu server here. I have created my Ubuntu instance here, and now I am going to install Java as prerequisite for Maven installation. Now we'll check whether Java and Maven are existed on this Ubuntu server. Using java-version command, we can come to know whether Java is there or not. So I lost my session. I'm going to create again. So here I'm going to connect to my server using sudo su hyphen. I'm going to switch as root user. Here I'm checking Java version. Using java-version command, we can get our Java version installed on Ubuntu server. Here it is showing command Java not found. That means Java is not existed on this. We'll check the same Maven as well. Maven mvn-version command gives the result as Maven details. As it is not installed, it is showing command mvn not found. So we'll install Java first, later we can install Maven. Here we have two types of installation to configure Maven on Ubuntu server. We'll go as easy way using apt-get install command. For installing Java, I am going to update my packages first using apt-get update command. So it updates all required packages on this Ubuntu server here. Once it's updated, we will install Java version. So using apt-get install, I'm going to install default JDK. So using default JDK, we can install latest version of Java on this Ubuntu server. So using apt-get install, I'm giving permission as -y. So it won't ask again the pop-up of yes or no instruction. So it's getting all the packages on this Ubuntu server here. So without installing Java on this Ubuntu server, we can't install Maven as well. So for this purpose, as Maven is developed using Java, Java as background, we have to install Java as prerequisite. So it's done. Now we will check which version of Java is installed on this server. See here it is showing OpenJDK version 11.0.7. Now it is ready to install Maven on this server. So using apt-get install, I'm giving permission as yes, and using only Maven keyword we can install Apache Maven on our server. So this is very easy to install Maven on Ubuntu server using apt-get install. So it gets all required packages. So if you want to install manually to download binaries from Maven official website, you can download and you can install using binary files as well. But this is very easy way, using with one command we can install on Ubuntu server. So it's updated everything. Here we Java related packages also it's setting up. Here we will check whether which version of Maven is existed. Using mvn-version command, we can come to know which version of Apache Maven is installed. So here it is showing Apache Maven 3.6.0. So we can see here Maven home as well, user share Maven, and Java version also it is showing as 11.0.7. So within the same server we can install Java and Maven as well, and here only two commands we used to install Java and Maven. So we can update packages again. Without updating also we got already Apache Maven here. So easy to install Maven on Ubuntu server. So this is today's session, guys. If you want me to upload like these type of technical videos, do let us know in comment section, and please do subscribe, like and share my video. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys.